Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to log into your Cash app. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash app, and then it will ask you to enter your phone number or email address. If you have created your account using your phone number, then enter your phone number on this section, and if you have created your account using your email, tap on this button where it says use email. Now you'll have to enter your email address in this box. After you have done so, tap on this next button. Then you will receive a code in your email address or your phone number, so go ahead and check that. Once you receive that code, enter the code on this box. And once you have entered the code, tap on this next button. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, it will ask you to link it, and if you don't want to link your account, you can just simply tap on this skip button. Once you have done so, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.